Hi guys, I want to give you a little tip on dehydrating this summer when you're dehydrating your herbs, roots, and mushrooms. For herbs, I always keep everything at 125. I do for roots too. And mushrooms, I mostly keep it at 125 and just go maybe a little bit longer. And how you'll know if you're dehydrating things properly is when you finish with your dehydrated herb, it still has the color as when it was wet, like really close to it. It's not drained color. Like for instance, here's my mullein that I got today, and here's my mullein that I've dehydrated in a bottle. They're really close in color. You can see they're very close. I mean, that's dehydrated, so it really looks close in color, so you know, okay, I haven't dehydrated it too much that there's no color, and you've killed the color. If you kill the color, you're most likely are killing other medicinal values. Another one, for instance, I dehydrated the horsetail, and you can see the horsetail is still a beautiful green, almost exactly the same as when I picked it. So that's a nice notification that I've dried it properly. And then another one, get the bugle here. Here's a bugle, fresh one. See how blue it is? But it's still very close in color. I had some dried bugle here. Still very close in color. The purple bluish is still there, so I know that I've done a good job on dehydrating that. So pretty well keep everything at 1 and 125. Look how blue it still looks. It's gorgeous. And when you know you've dehydrated things properly, just keep an eye on things, and if it snaps like that, you've done a good job, and you still have the color to your herb, then you know that you've got a great dehydrated product. So I hope this helps someone. Just keep your dehydrators on 120 or 125. Mushrooms sometimes takes a little longer depending if you're working with a conch type, but I still stick to 120 or 125.